Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beam. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will quickly see how to do two-sided or basically front and back printouts in our Brother printer. This printer's model is DCP-L2520D. I have two sheets with one and two printed, which we will try to print in a single paper back and forth. To do that, press the button that says two-sided. In the display, you will see two-sided off. Press it again. Now it will say one-sided to two-sided with a L, which means long, basically meaning portrait. Now let's place the first sheet and press the start button. Once scanned, it will prompt you for the next page with two options, yes and no. Now let's place the second sheet and press the plus button, which means yes, and press OK. Now we can press no. Here's our back and forth printout with 1 and 2 printed the same sheet. If you would like to do the same thing for multiple copies, then initially in the main menu you just have to press this plus button for the number of copies you want. The screen would display the number of copies it would print, and now just repeat the same process that was explained prior to this. Hope this was useful and informational to you. Catch you another one. Thank you. Bye bye.